In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse audio and video with CapCut PC. If you want to create a rewinding effect, make motion play backward, or build a step-by-step breakdown in reverse, CapCut makes it very simple to do. In this walkthrough, we're going to focus on the easiest way to reverse a clip directly inside the CapCut desktop editor, and I'll point out exactly where to click so it's easy to follow. To get started, look down at your timeline and find the specific video clip you want to reverse. Once you've found it, click directly on that clip one time. You should see a clean selection frame appear around it. That visual outline confirms that CapCut is now targeting that exact clip, which is important before applying any timeline action. If you have multiple clips stacked or placed close together, take a second to make sure the correct one is highlighted before moving on. Now that the clip is selected, move your attention just above the timeline tracks to the small horizontal quick action toolbar. This area contains several common editing tools, and the one you're looking for is the reverse icon. It appears as a rewinding style circular arrow with a triangle inside it. Click that icon once. As soon as you do, CapCut begins processing the clip. You'll usually see a small progress indicator or percentage box appear on screen while the software rewrites the footage frames in reverse order. Depending on the length and quality of your clip, this may take just a moment or a little longer, so give it time to finish completely. Once processing is done, check the preview monitor in the center of your screen and play the clip back. Your video will now run backward, and if the audio is still linked as part of that clip, the sound will also play in reverse. This is what creates that full rewind effect, where both motion and audio are flipped together for a stylized result. At this point, you've completed the key actions: selecting the video clip in the timeline, clicking the reverse button in the quick toolbar, and letting CapCut process the change. If your project includes separated audio tracks, make sure you review playback carefully so everything behaves the way you want. A quick preview check can save time before export. And that's it. In just a few quick moves, you can reverse both the visuals and the sound of your clip inside CapCut on PC, giving your edit a clean backward playback effect that's ready to use in your project.